What's going on, gang? Hope everybody's having a good weekend. This time around, I have new 2018-19 NBA hoops basketball. There are 2 autographs per box. This one kind of snuck up on me. I actually did not pre-order it like I normally do. Honestly, I didn't know it was coming out. I've been so busy. But as you probably know, this is one of the lower price boxes. Not a lot of the basketball stuff that's been released over the last 2 months has been really pricey stuff, which, you know, you can get some great stuff out of that, but you know, if you bomb, you bomb hard. This, I mean, you know, usually it's a lot of lower dollar inserts, parallels, but you do get the 2 autographs, and I have had some luck with hoops. I did pull a really good short printed Reggie Miller autograph out of hoops a couple of months ago. There's the base design. Got a little bit of floor design there, a little parquet. Nice Blake Griffin. There's our first something road to the finals LeBron. Iguodala and Gasol. These are kind of a thinner stock. There's a rookie, Anthony Simmons. I'm really not sure which rookies I'm supposed to be looking for. I've got to get myself up to speed with this new class. There's NBA City. Ayton rookie. This is a full box, I think 24 packs, I think. Cauley Stein. Kind of go through this faster. There's a rookie, Troy Brown Jr. Action shots, Ben Simmons. Good looking hollow full there, not numbered. Julius Irving, Gary Trent Jr. rookie. Picture perfect, Jimmy Butler. Jaren Jackson Jr. JJJ. Malik Monk, Grayson Allen rookie. Road to the finals. And this is numbered. I don't know if you can see it there. Out of 2019. Saric, Rondo, Gibson. There's actually quite a few affordable boxes on the market right now. The Topps Gold Label. Here's our first autograph, Landry Shamet, rookie ink. This is not numbered. The price of some stuff that came out not too long ago, like the Bowman Tech, it's dropped down. It's really affordable. There's a couple of good bargains available right now, and a couple of things I'd like to go back and rebuy. There's a We Got Next, Miles Bridges, Colin Sexton rookie. I really like Phoenix this year. I wouldn't mind getting more of that. The price of Bowman Chrome has dropped. Maybe pick up some more of that. Is there anything you guys are like rebuying now that lots of stuff has hit the market and you've had a chance to check it out? I'd be interested to see what everybody else is rebuying. As you can see, I busted a box of Prism, which was very, very average. But I do have another one on the way, hoping for better luck with the next one. Magic Johnson. Here is a Kuzma that's numbered to 199. Good looking Kuz. Mo Bamba. If my next box of Prism is not better than this last one, then I definitely won't be buying more of that. Not in hobby box form anyway. Jalen Brunson rookie. Archaeologist Damian Lillard. Interesting insert set. Clay Thompson, Rudy Gay, Miles Bridges. Young, Dorsey, Kevin Herter. Backstage pass, Antetokounmpo. Huh, that's kind of a good idea too. Kennard green. We got next Grayson Allen. Dunn and green. NBA City. Who is this? I can't even read the name. Zach LaVine. Markkanen, Curry, and Aldridge. So we've got some kind of parallel here. Kyle O'Quinn. I guess it is. It's not numbered. It definitely looks different. The purple border. Legends of the Ball, Kobe Bryant. Not numbered. Lonnie Walker the fourth, and Moritz Wagner. Satoransky to 199. DeRozan and Trae Young rookie. That's one thing that Hoops is good at. It's a good mix of inserts and some parallels, numbered stuff. It's rookies, subsets. It's got a little bit of everything. There's Durant. NBA City, rookie Wendell Carter Jr. and Marvin Bagley. I think these are two good ones, if I remember correctly. Morris, Dennis Smith Jr. Here's another one of those purples. So I guess it is just an unnumbered parallel. Donovan Mitchell amplifiers. Not numbered. De'Aaron Fox. Looks like I might have my other autograph in that pack. So let's check out these last few before we do that. And have that big surprise there at the end. And see what will it be. Will it be a scrub? Or a rookie? Or a vet? We shall soon find out. There's Isaac, Harris, Mitchell, Patrick Ewing, Legends of the Ball, Lopez, Graham rookie, Malone, Lopez, what is this, a Tatum courtside, nice action shot, Teague and Portis. Here's a Harden highlights. They definitely make use of a lot of hollow foil on their inserts, which I like. I think it makes for a better looking card when it has that refractorish look. Archaeologist Curry. And I don't know how to pronounce that, so I'm not going to. And Jones. Bazemore, Randolph, Vanderbilt rookie, Okobo rookie, Corver, Donovan Mitchell numbered to 2018. I think I said that other card was numbered to 2019, but it must be 18 since it was last year's finals. So ignore that. Although I know somebody's just dying to call me out on it. Alright. NBA City, Blake Griffin, Fultz, and Baines. Okay, let's see what this last autograph is. Actually, let me straighten up my stacks. These are all base cards with rookies included. Alright, Fox, Smith, DiVincenzo. It is James Johnson. Hot signatures. It is a nice touch that he included his number, jersey number on there. Not numbered, so neither autograph was numbered. Hutchinson rookie and PJ Tucker. So that's it. These are the two autos. I think this is good. I think. Like I said, I haven't really paid much attention to this rookie class, so we'll find out in a few moments. Anyways, this is the stack of base. These are the inserts and parallels, with hoops being true to form. There is quite a few. There are quite a few. And like I said, the boxes are, you know, pretty low price, pretty affordable. So, and you can pull some really nice autographs out of this stuff because I've done it. So, alright, that's it for this box. Hope you enjoyed watching this break. Please like and subscribe, and I'll be back on my next break soon.